5,000 underprivileged children will take part in a tradition this morning on Skid Row. They'll get new shoes, clothing, and school supplies at the Fred Jordan Mission. KTLA's Eric Spillman is in downtown LA with more on that. Good morning, Eric.
Hi, Frank. We all know what's happening with the U.S. economy. Businesses are struggling. The number of unemployed is going up, and that pain has trickled down to the people you see on the sidewalk here, needy families, and there are more of them here than there were last year. They're lined up here for the Fred Jordan Mission's annual back-to-school giveaway, and some have been here for days. Some of these families have been camping out here since Monday.
For a family who must decide every month whether to feed their kids or to pay rent, there's never a penny for clothes.
And so for 20 years now, Willie Jordan and her Fred Jordan Mission have been handing out 5,000 pairs of shoes donated by corporate sponsors to underprivileged kids. They'll also get backpacks, clothing, and other goodies.
One of the most exciting places on this street today is the tent with backpacks and school supplies. Stacy, Phillips, what have you done?
We strive to help you for all that you have done. We have purchased all the backpacks and had the paper either donated or we purchased it. Actually, one of the women from the entity that donated some of the paper is here today to volunteer with us, and she promised next year she would get the company to donate all the paper. My law firm each year adopts a different not-for-profit to help, and this year we adopted the Fred Jordan Mission, and you can tell we closed our office. We're all here stuffing backpacks because this is what we need to do to help our community.
You're a law firm.
We're a law firm, and we're a divorce law firm. We divorce people. Does that sound a little weird? But we care about children and we care about our community. And the Fred Jordan Mission came to our attention through one of our assistants, Stella Kuntz, who had seen the mission when she was growing up and then had seen this day on TV and said, when we all vote on which not-for-profit to adopt for the year, she said, I really want to do the Fred Jordan Mission. And we all agreed with her. So here we are today, supplies, stuffing backpacks, and watching these bright smiles on all these kids.
Thousands of dollars you're giving away to the children. What does it do for you when you hand a backpack filled with school supplies?
Well, as I told my daughter earlier today, if I cry a lot today, please don't tease me. To be able to give these kids what we take for granted makes me feel like we're doing something for our community, and I'm going to start crying.
That's okay. We all cry on a day like this. You see the needs, that makes you cry, but then you see the needs being met.
I walked inside before this all started and saw the sneakers. It was amazing. And all the Paul Mitchell folks with their scissors and the Foot Locker people and their black and white shirts. And I just look at these kids and the big smiles on their faces, and when they come out with a haircut or cool jeans or really hip sneakers, I mean, my daughter's jealous and is going to start bombarding me with asking if she could have those things.
Oh, but do you know what this means to moms? I talk to mothers, and just to get basic school supplies, it costs over $100, yet you're filling these backpacks and it's free to these kids.
Well, a great mind is a terrible thing to waste, as we know, and these kids need the basic supplies to be able to move forward and take the next step and hopefully be more successful than their parents. And I know it gives great pride and joy to the mothers and the fathers to be able to provide for them even in this way, because they accomplish their goal. And what's more exciting than starting school with all new supplies that you can put on the floor and organize? Otherwise, school is just too intimidating, but if you have new things to play with and cool new sneakers and jeans, then you're cool, you're hip, and you can move forward with the intimidating part of school.
Stacy, Phillips, all your associates, all your helpers, for all you've done, thank you.